As a manager or full member of staff on Tapestry, you can use your Tapestry account to log in to the Foundation Stage forum. On here, you can access lots of helpful resources, including downloads, articles, and you can also take part in all the interesting conversations happening on the forum. To do this, all you need to do is go to eyfs.info. Then you just need to click on the sign in option in the top right hand corner and select the Sign In with Tapestry button. Now, if you're not already logged in to your Tapestry account, it will ask you to do so through the Tapestry login screen. Once you've logged in, or if you've already logged in, you'll then need to verify your email address. So you need to go to your email and look out for the verification email from Tapestry. Remember to check your spam or junk folders in case it gets filtered into there. Once you've received the email, you just need to click into it and click on the verify and then your email link. After you've verified your email, you'll then need to just enter your Tapestry login details. You'll then just need to click on the sign in button. To finish setting up your profile, you'll just need to enter a display name. Do remember that display names are visible to other users on the forum. You can also choose to receive FSF newsletters, and you will need to agree to the terms of use. If you want to read these, you just need to click on the terms of use link. And once you've done that, you'll then be able to create your account. Now that you've set up your profile, you'll be able to log in to the FSF using your Tapestry account at any point just by going to the sign in button in the top right hand corner in the forum and using that option to sign in with Tapestry. Now you're free to explore the forum.